Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. As you can see right here, we've got date and time, so just tap on it, and in order to set the date and time manually, we have to tap on this very first option and here turn it off. And as you can see, the date and time options are active, so let me pick the date. As you can see from this calendar, you can pick the date you want to set. Tap on OK. As you can see, it immediately changes. Let's tap on the time, and also from this clock we can choose the time we want to use. Remember to confirm it with OK, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the status bar. What's more, we can choose the time zone also manually. Just tap on the switcher and tap on the time zone. Let's tap on the region, and as you can see, here we've been transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So all you have to do is simply find the one you would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one, and as you can see, it immediately changes, but be aware that after changing the time zone manually, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got also the time format options. So right now we are using 24-hour format, but in order to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher to turn off this option, and as you can see, it also immediately changes on the status bar. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time, and if you'd like to get back to all previous settings, nothing easier. Just up here to use 24-hour format, tap on the switcher to use automatic time zone, and here to use network provided time. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.